Listen to the story, then answer the following questions. Who broke the phone? A. Alex. B. Jack. C. Ben. Once upon a time, there was three brothers, Alex, who was 9, Jack, who was 6, and B, who was 4. They lived with their mother. They were all very close since spent a lot of time together, often playing and joking around. One day, while their mother was out, one of their brother accidentally broken the phone. The brothers was very worried about how their mother will react when she found out. So they decided to keep it a secret from her. The next day, their mother noticed that her phone was not working properly and asked her son if they knew what had happened to it. The brothers nervously denied knowing anything about it and trying to act if nothing was wrong. As time passed, the broken phone became a tension between the brothers. They knew they needed to come clean to their mother, but they were afraid of disappointing her and facing the consequences of their action. In the end, one of the brother couldn't bear the guilt any longer and decided to confess to their mother about breaking the phone. When he told her what had happened, the mother wasn't angry, but instead he calmly said, "I understand the mistakes happens. However, I want you to take care of your younger brothers and not to use my phone." The brothers learned a valuable lesson about the taking responsibility for their actions and being truthful with the people they care.